Meet Jim. He started a cleaning business in his hometown. He invests in training, sources supplies, markets his business, finds customers, and processes invoices. Jim also works on site and manages his staff. Jim has little time to grow his business. Mary decided to partner with OpenWorks to establish an independent franchise. OpenWorks trains Mary and provides ongoing education to help her learn the industry, cleaning methods, and best practices. Mary also has a dedicated OpenWorks expert that can draw from over 40 years of facility experience. Unlike Jim, Mary receives guaranteed customers and does not have to worry about selling, administrative support, employee resources, invoicing, and collections. As Mary expands her business, OpenWorks is right with her, supplying more customers, training, and help as she needs it. Left to his own devices, Jim is not able to keep up. If you want to be like Mary, contact OpenWorks today.